the upcoming fiesta of Barangay Halandoni Estate, Lapos, Iloilo City, Madam Chair. So if there is no objection, I'd like to pass a resolution granting authority to the City Mayor Raisa Estreñas to issue special permit to Rockwell Cockpit Arena and connection with the holding of ASEL cockfighting or PAUWAC activities on October 4, 7, and 11, 2025 for the income-generating event of Barangay Halandoni Estate, Lapos, Iloilo City, in line with the celebration of the upcoming Barangay Fiesta on October 13, 2025. So move, Madam Chair.
It has been moved and seconded. Here no objections. Motion is carried.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
For item FO9 as a proposed multi-party memorandum of understanding to be executed by and between the Iloilo City